7 o'clock, jump out of bed, put on my socks, brush my teeth and wash my face, then have breakfast, can't be late. Tick-tock, the clock goes round, morning, noon, and evening sound. Step by step I do my best, every day just like the rest. At 8 o'clock I grab my bag, run to school, don't want to lag. 9 to 12 I read and write, learning new things feels so right. Tick-tock, the clock goes round, morning, noon, and evening sound. Step by step I do my best, every day just like the rest. Lunchtime fun at 1:30, then more lessons, work's not done. At 3 o'clock it's time to play, running, jumping, hip, hooray! At 5 I draw and play some tunes, then eat my dinner with my spoon. At 8 I read a book in bed, at 9 I rest my sleepy head. Tick-tock, the day is through, tomorrow brings more things to do. I close my eyes, I count to 3. Good night, world,